Chapter 6 is secondary activities. As you know that secondary activities add a value to the natural resources by transforming raw material into valuable product. Today in this session we will discuss about the classification of manufacturing industries. Manufacturing industries can be classified on various bases. They can be classified on the basis of size, raw material, weight of finished product and the used raw material, on the basis of source of raw material, ownership, etc. On the basis of size, industries can be classified into three categories: household industries, small scale industries and large scale industries. There is one more category that is called medium scale industries. Household industries, which are also called cottage industries, these industries obtain raw material which is locally available. Locally available raw material is used in household industries. Second, these industries run with the help of family member and sometimes part-time labor is hired. Finished product which is manufactured in these industries sell at the local level and sometimes it is also used for self consumption. Finished the market is very much local and sometimes barter system is used for the exchange of goods and commodities which are manufactured. Things are very much simple because the things generally made by hand. Sometimes simple tools are used, and in this, for the beginning or the setting up of household industry, you don't need capital. There is no capital investment. Second, next level is small scale industries. Small scale industries are owned and run by individual which employ a small number of labor. Place of manufacture is outside the house, outside the home, unlike cottage industries. Simple power driven machines are used and raw material are generally locally available and sometimes brought from nearby cities, but raw material obtained through payment only. Labor is semi-skilled and this is the industry which is providing employment to large number of people and there is a less capital investment. In countries like China, Indonesia, Brazil, because this industry provide labor and raises the purchasing power of local people, that is why this industry have been developed in those countries, those areas where labor is easily available, as this is a labor intensive industries and generate large amount of employment. Next level is the medium size and the large scale industries. Medium size industries employ neither very large or nor very small number of labor and put in category of medium scale. Cyber industry, radio industry, television industry are some example of medium size industries. Large scale industry need large capital, skilled labor, power, raw material, employment in large number, and this is market based industry. That's why this need large market. Large scale industry involve large market, various type of raw material, enormous energy required, specialized workers are needed and based on advanced technology, assembly line based on mass production and large capital. This kind of manufacturing industries developed during the last 200 years in United Kingdom, northeastern USA and European part, and then this industry have diffused rest of the world like North America, Asian and African countries. After the classification of industry on the basis of size, next is classification of industry on the basis of output and used raw material. Industries on the basis of output and used raw material can be classified on the basis of sources of raw material. Agro-based industry are those industry which involve the processing of raw material from field and the farm into finished product from the rural as well as urban areas. Major agro-processing industry which include the food processing like sugar, pickle, fruit juices, beverages like tea, coffee, cocoa, spices and all, as well rubber are agro-based industry. Mineral based industries are those industry which obtain raw material from mining in the form of mineral. Some industry use ferrous mineral and some use non-ferrous mineral. Iron steel industry is one of the important mineral based industry. Apart from that, there is my aluminium, copper, jewelry industries are some mineral based industries. There are some non-metallic minerals which are used in the form of mineral as raw material like cement and pottery industries. Forest product industries are those industry which obtain raw material from the forest. There are many major and minor product which are used as raw material and obtained from the forest like timber for furniture industry, wood, bamboo, grasses for the paper industry, lead for the lead industries come from the forest. Marine product based industry are such industry which obtain raw material from the sea or the ocean. Cod liver oil is a sea or the example of marine product based industries. Animal based industries are those industry which obtain raw material from the animal or animal body part like leather for the leather industry. Wool for the woolen textile are obtained from the animal. Beside this, ivory is a fine example of animal based industry which is obtained from elephant's tusks. Chemical industry are such industry which use natural chemical mineral. Example, mineral oil means petroleum is used in petrochemical industry. Salt, sulfur, potash also are the natural mineral, and many industry are based on these raw material. Chemical industry are also based on raw material which is obtained from wood, coal, synthetic fiber, plastic are some fine example of chemical based industries. After this classification, there is one more basic classification of industry that is based on output or the product used as raw material. This is basic industry. Iron steel industry is a fine example or the good example of basic industry. This is the industry which finished product is used in making used as raw material in other industries. Apart from that, there is a consumer industry. Consumer industry are such industry which produce goods which are directly consumed by the consumer. Example, electronic appliances, bread, biscuit, tea, soaps, toilet papers, paper for the writing, television, etc. are the consumer good industry or non-basic industry. Industry based on ownership are public sector industry, private sector industry, joint venture sector industry and cooperative sector industry. Public sector industries are those industries which are owned and run by government. In India, there are many public sector industry which are called PSUs like BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electronic Limited, SAIL, Steel Authority of India Limited. Private sector industries are owned and operated by individual or private organization. These are managed by private organizations like Reliance, Tata are such example of private industries. Joint sector industries are managed by joint stock companies. These are run by public and private partnership. Together, they establish and manage the industries like NTPC, OIC, All India Corporation. Cooperative sector industry are such industry which are run with the help of corporation, like sugar mills and other agro-based industries.